Welcome to the Windows Guide. If sound is not working on your Lenovo computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution is to update the sound drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the application. Expand the list of sound, video, and game controllers drivers. Right-click on the Realtek audio drivers. Select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. The second solution is to set your speaker as default device. Search for sound in the Windows search bar. Click on Change Sound Systems. Go to the Playback tab. Right-click on Speaker if speaker is your default audio device. Select Set as Default Device in the list. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the settings. The last solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Wait for a few Sedona for the troubleshoot page to load. Click on Yes to invoke the troubleshooter. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel.